Sleep apnea almost took my brother's life, and here's how. My brother was recently inspired to start mouth taping to fix his snoring. We even tried to use nasal strips to see if that would even help, but the only thing that seemed to be working was this tiny nose clip right here. It may seem like you are putting a tiny clip up your nose, but it has two magnets that apply a gentle pressure to the septum of your nose. Because of this, your airways start to open up, and it allows you to breathe air at a much higher rate. And as you can see, the mouth is closed and the snoring has stopped completely.